Jamaica is calling. And whether you're here for business or pleasure, your journey should be just as luxurious as your destination. That's where we come in. Welcome to Orem Transfers, Jamaica's premier private transfer service, where comfort, convenience, and class come standard. You could waste time waiting for a taxi, or squeeze into a shared ride with total strangers. Or again, you could skip the hassle and ride in style with Orem Transfers. Business travelers? Stay productive on the go with high-speed Wi-Fi and executive service. Families? Spacious SUVs and stress-free airport pickups mean more time for making memories. Luxury seekers? Indulge in a premium experience that matches your 5-star getaway. Explorers? Private island tours and custom routes let you see Jamaica your way. Booking is easy. Just visit orem-transfers.com, choose your ride, and we'll handle the rest. No hidden fees, no surprises. Reliable, safe, always on time. Your Jamaican adventure starts the moment you land. Orem Transfers, because you deserve a ride as unforgettable as your trip. Book now at orem-transfers.com. Like this video? Subscribe for more travel tips and luxury experiences.